Close your eyes, take a deep, calming breath. Let the worries of the day drift away. Tonight, we journey into the fascinating world of reptiles. Reptiles, with their ancient lineage, hold a certain mystique. Their quiet presence, often camouflaged in nature's tapestry, speaks of a different pace of life. Join me as we uncover fascinating facts about these remarkable creatures. This is not a hurried chase for knowledge, it's a gentle exploration to soothe your mind before sleep. Each fact a stepping stone guiding you towards tranquility. Let the rhythmic cadence of nature's stories lull you into a peaceful slumber. Reptiles have walked the earth for millions of years. They are survivors. Their story dates back to a time before the dinosaurs. These cold-blooded creatures rely on their surroundings for warmth. They bask in the sun's rays, absorbing heat to fuel their bodies. From deserts to rainforests, reptiles thrive in diverse habitats. They have adapted to survive in some of the planet's harshest environments. Their scaly skin, a suit of armor, protects them from the elements. Reptiles play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They are both predators and prey, maintaining a delicate balance. The world of reptiles is incredibly diverse. Each species has its own unique characteristics. Snakes, with their sinuous movements, glide effortlessly through their surroundings. Lizards, from tiny geckos to massive Komodo dragons, display an array of colors and patterns. Turtles, with their protective shells, carry their homes on their backs. Crocodiles, ancient predators, lurk in the water's edge. Their powerful jaws and armored bodies command respect. Each group of reptiles has evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in their specific environments. Reptiles possess many intriguing secrets. Some species can change color, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. Others have venomous bites, a powerful defense mechanism. Some reptiles are incredibly social, living in complex communities. They communicate through a variety of sounds and gestures. Their senses are finely tuned to their environment. They can detect the slightest vibrations or changes in temperature. Reptiles are fascinating creatures with much to teach us about adaptation and survival. Reptiles, unlike us warm-blooded mammals, rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. This is why you might see a lizard basking in a sunny spot. It's not just enjoying the warmth, it's absorbing heat to fuel its metabolism. This dependence on external heat makes them cold-blooded, or more accurately, ectothermic. Being ectothermic has its advantages. Reptiles require far less energy than mammals of a similar size. They don't need to eat as often and can survive in environments where food is scarce. Think of the desert, where a snake might only need to eat a few times a year. Maintaining the right body temperature is crucial for reptiles. Too cold and their metabolism slows, making them sluggish. Too hot and they overheat, which can be fatal. To regulate their temperature, reptiles have evolved fascinating behaviors. They move between sun and shade throughout the day, adjusting their exposure to heat. Some desert-dwelling reptiles even burrow underground during the hottest parts of the day, seeking cooler temperatures. This constant dance with the environment is a testament to their remarkable adaptability. One of the most defining features of reptiles is their scales. These tough, overlapping plates serve as a suit of armor, protecting their bodies from injury and dehydration. Scales are made of keratin, the same material that makes up our hair and nails. The arrangement and texture of scales vary greatly between species, contributing to their unique appearances. Some reptiles, like snakes and lizards, shed their skin in a process called molting. This allows them to grow and also removes any parasites or worn-out scales. Reptiles perceive the world in ways that we can only imagine. While their senses of sight, hearing and smell are generally well developed, some reptiles possess extraordinary sensory adaptations. Snakes, for example, have poor eyesight, but can detect the heat signatures of their prey using specialized organs located on their faces. Many reptiles also have a keen sense of smell, using their tongues to collect scent particles from the air. These particles are then transferred to the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth, which provides them with detailed chemical information about their surroundings. Reptiles often move slowly and deliberately, conserving their energy. This measured pace is not a sign of laziness, but rather a reflection of their efficient metabolism. When they need to, however, reptiles can be surprisingly fast and agile. Think of a chameleon's lightning-fast tongue, which can capture an insect in the blink of an eye, or a crocodile exploding from the water to snatch its prey. These bursts of speed highlight the hidden power and agility possessed by these ancient creatures. Snakes, with their sinuous grace, often evoke a sense of wonder and at times apprehension. Their fluid movements and silent presence can be both mesmerizing and intimidating, capturing the imagination of humans for centuries. They are creatures of myth and legend, often misunderstood yet undeniably captivating. From ancient tales of serpents guarding treasures to modern-day stories of their mysterious behaviors, snakes have always held a special place in our collective consciousness. Their limbless bodies, covered in smooth scales, allow them to move effortlessly through a variety of habitats. These scales not only protect them, but also aid in their movement, providing friction and grip on different surfaces. From the dense undergrowth of rainforests to the sun-baked sands of deserts, snakes have adapted to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their ability to survive in such diverse conditions is a testament to their resilience and evolutionary success. One of the most remarkable features of snakes is their ability to swallow prey much larger than their heads. This unique feeding mechanism allows them to take advantage of a wide range of food sources, ensuring their survival in various ecosystems. Their jaws are incredibly flexible, connected by ligaments that allow them to unhinge and stretch wide. This flexibility is crucial for consuming large prey, as it enables them to engulf and digest animals that would otherwise be impossible to eat. This adaptation enables them to consume prey whole, slowly digesting it over time. The process of digestion can take days or even weeks, depending on the size of the meal, during which the snake remains relatively inactive. Some snakes, like pythons and boas, are constrictors. These powerful serpents rely on their strength and muscular bodies to subdue their prey. They subdue their prey by coiling around it and squeezing tightly, cutting off its blood supply. This method of hunting is both efficient and deadly, allowing constrictors to take down animals much larger than themselves. Lizards, with their dazzling array of colors, patterns and sizes, are a testament to the power of evolution. These remarkable creatures have adapted to a wide range of environments, showcasing nature's ingenuity. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, from the scorching deserts of Australia to the lush rainforests of South America. Each species has developed unique traits to thrive in its specific habitat, whether it be extreme heat, dense foliage, or rocky terrains. Some lizards, like geckos, have sticky toe pads that allow them to cling to smooth surfaces, even walking upside down. This adaptation is not only fascinating but also crucial for their survival, enabling them to escape predators and hunt for food in places other creatures can't reach. Others, like chameleons, have independently moving eyes and long, sticky tongues that can shoot out with lightning speed to catch insects. Their ability to change colour also helps them blend into their surroundings, making them masters of camouflage. Lizards have evolved a wide range of adaptations to survive in their diverse habitats. From the ability to regenerate lost tails to specialized scales that provide protection and aid in water retention, these adaptations are key to their resilience. Some, like the thorny devil of Australia, have spiky scales that deter predators. These spikes not only serve as a defense mechanism, but also help in collecting water, which is vital in their arid environment. Others, like the Gila monster of the southwestern United States, have venomous bites. This venom is a powerful tool for both defense and hunting, allowing them to subdue prey and protect themselves from threats. Despite their often fearsome reputation, most lizards are harmless to humans and play important roles in their ecosystems. They help control insect populations, which can prevent the spread of diseases and protect crops. Additionally, they serve as prey for larger animals, maintaining the balance of their natural habitats. Lizards truly are masters of adaptation, each species a unique marvel of evolutionary success. Turtles, with their slow, deliberate movements and ancient lineage, evoke a sense of tranquility and timelessness. They are the only reptiles that have a shell, a bony structure that protects their bodies from predators. Some turtles, like sea turtles, can travel thousands of miles across oceans, navigating by the Earth's magnetic field. Others, like tortoises, are land-dwelling and can live for over 100 years. Turtles play an important role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. Sea turtles, for example, graze on seagrass, preventing it from overgrowing and suffocating other marine life. Tortoises, by consuming large quantities of vegetation, help to disperse seeds and create open spaces in forests. Despite their resilience, many turtle species are facing threats due to habitat loss, pollution and climate change. Crocodiles, alligators, caimans and gharials. These are the crocodilians, ancient reptiles that have remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. They are apex predators inhabiting rivers, lakes and wetlands in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Their powerful jaws and muscular tails make them formidable hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Crocodilians are ectothermic, relying on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. They are often seen basking in the sun, absorbing heat to fuel their metabolisms. Despite their fearsome reputation, crocodilians play important roles in their ecosystems, controlling fish populations and maintaining the health of wetlands. Reptiles are masters of stealth, their hunting strategies honed over millennia. Picture a snake, its body gliding effortlessly through the undergrowth, its tongue flicking out to taste the air for the scent of prey. Its movements are fluid and silent, a whisper of danger in the stillness of the forest. Some reptiles, like chameleons, employ a more passive approach. They lie in wait, their camouflage rendering them nearly invisible against the backdrop of their surroundings. Their eyes, independently mobile, scan the environment for unsuspecting insects. With lightning speed, their long, sticky tongues lash out, capturing their prey in the blink of an eye. Reptiles may not communicate in the same way that mammals do, but they have developed subtle and sophisticated ways of interacting with each other. Some species, like geckos, use a variety of chirps, clicks and squeaks to communicate with each other, especially during territorial disputes or courtship rituals. Others, like snakes, rely heavily on chemical signals called pheromones. These pheromones convey information about a snake's species, sex, and reproductive status. By following these invisible trails, snakes can locate potential mates or avoid rivals. The world of reptiles is awash in a vibrant tapestry of colours, from the emerald scales of a green tree python to the fiery hues of a panther chameleon. These colours serve a variety of purposes, from camouflage and communication to thermoregulation and mate attraction. Some reptiles, like chameleons, can even change their skin colour rapidly, adapting to their surroundings or signalling their mood. This remarkable ability is due to specialized cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments that can be dispersed or concentrated to alter the reptile's coloration. Reptiles possess an innate ability to navigate their surroundings, often over vast distances. Sea turtles, for example, embark on epic migrations, traveling thousands of miles across oceans to return to the very beaches where they hatched decades earlier. Scientists believe that sea turtles rely on a combination of cues to navigate, including the Earth's magnetic field, ocean currents, and celestial bodies. This remarkable navigational prowess is a testament to the power of instinct and adaptation. Reptiles are masters of survival, having endured for millions of years through a variety of environmental challenges. They have evolved a remarkable array of adaptations to cope with extreme temperatures, scarce resources, and the constant threat of predators. From the thick, scaly skin of a desert tortoise that prevents water loss to the venomous bite of a rattlesnake that deters predators, reptiles demonstrate the power of natural selection in shaping life on Earth. Their resilience and adaptability serve as a source of inspiration, reminding us of the tenacity of life in the face of adversity. Beneath their scaly exteriors, reptiles harbour surprising secrets. Consider the heart of a turtle. Unlike the four-chambered hearts of mammals and birds, most reptiles have three-chambered hearts. This unique structure allows for a mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. While this might seem inefficient, it allows reptiles to conserve energy and thrive in environments with fluctuating oxygen levels. Some reptiles, like crocodiles, possess a unique adaptation called a hepatic piston. This muscular diaphragm, located near the liver, assists in breathing by pulling the liver back, creating negative pressure in the chest cavity and drawing air into the lungs. This adaptation is particularly useful when a crocodile is submerged underwater, allowing it to breathe efficiently even with its mouth open. The world of reptiles encompasses a staggering diversity of sizes, from the colossal saltwater crocodile, which can grow over 20 feet long and weigh over 2,000 pounds, to the tiny Brookesia microchameleon, which can perch comfortably on the tip of a human finger. Reptiles showcase the extremes of vertebrate evolution. These size extremes reflect a variety of ecological roles and adaptations. The massive size of a saltwater crocodile makes it an apex predator, capable of taking down large prey like buffalo and wild pigs. In contrast, the diminutive size of the Brookesia microchameleon allows it to exploit a niche environment, hunting tiny insects among the leaf litter of the rainforest floor. Reptiles have conquered some of the most extreme environments on Earth, from the scorching deserts of the Sahara to the frigid peaks of the Himalayas. They have evolved remarkable physiological adaptations to cope with extreme temperatures, aridity, and even altitude. Consider the desert-horned lizard, which inhabits the arid regions of North America. This remarkable reptile has evolved a unique way to collect water in its dry environment. Specialized scales on its body are shaped to channel condensation towards its mouth, allowing it to drink from the air. Reptiles, with their ancient lineage dating back millions of years, are living links to Earth's prehistoric past. These fascinating creatures have witnessed the rise and fall of dinosaurs, the shifting of continents, and the evolution of countless species. Their survival through such monumental changes is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. By studying these remarkable creatures, scientists can gain valuable insights into the evolution of life on our planet and the ecological processes that have shaped the world we know today. Each scale, each movement, and each behavior tells a story of survival and adaptation. Herpetologists, the scientists who specialize in reptiles, dedicate their lives to understanding these ancient beings, unraveling the mysteries of their existence. Reptiles serve as indicators of environmental health, their presence or absence reflecting the overall well-being of their ecosystems. When reptiles thrive, it often means that the environment is healthy and balanced. Conversely, their decline can signal ecological distress, prompting further investigation and conservation efforts. By protecting reptiles and their habitats, we are not only conserving biodiversity, but also safeguarding the delicate balance of nature that sustains us all. Conservationists work tirelessly to create protected areas and implement measures that ensure the survival of these species. Their efforts help maintain the intricate web of life that supports countless other organisms, including humans. As you drift off to sleep, let these ancient wanderers inspire a sense of wonder and appreciation for the intricate web of life that connects us all. Imagine the slow, deliberate movements of a chameleon, the serene stillness of a coiled snake, and the quiet presence of geckos resting on leaves. These moments of tranquility remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Their stories, whispered through time, remind us of the enduring power of nature and the importance of preserving the planet's biodiversity for future generations. The fossilized remains of ancient reptiles serve as a poignant reminder of the Earth's long history and the ever-changing tapestry of life. As the sun sets over their habitats, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect and cherish the natural world, ensuring that these sentinels of time continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. As we conclude our journey into the world of reptiles, let the stillness of the night wash over you. Recall the images we've explored, the sun-warmed scales of a lizard, the ancient gaze of a turtle, the silent grace of a snake gliding through the undergrowth. Each species a unique thread woven into the intricate tapestry of life. Their stories, whispered through millennia, speak of resilience, adaptation, and a delicate balance with the natural world. Reptiles, often misunderstood, play vital roles in their ecosystems. They remind us that every creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has a part to play in the grand orchestra of life. The world of reptiles operates at a different pace, a slower, more deliberate rhythm. They have mastered the art of conservation, moving with an efficiency born of millions of years of evolution. Their ectothermic nature, often misconstrued as a limitation, is a testament to their ability to thrive in environments where resources are scarce. As you prepare for sleep, let go of the day's hurried pace. Embrace the stillness, the quietude. Allow yourself to drift into a state of restful awareness, much like a lizard basking in the sun's warmth, absorbing the energy it needs to thrive. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself surrounded by the sights and sounds of a moonlit rainforest. The gentle chirping of geckos, the rustling of leaves as a snake passes by, the distant call of a nocturnal bird. Let these sounds lull you into a peaceful slumber. As you drift off to sleep, carry with you the wonders we've uncovered tonight. The world of reptiles, diverse and extraordinary, reminds us of the beauty and resilience of nature. Dream of ancient landscapes, of sun-drenched rocks and cool hidden streams. May your sleep be filled with the quiet wisdom of these ancient creatures, and may you awaken refreshed and ready to embrace the wonders of the day ahead.